Bonjour, c'est Madame Sacco et ce soir nous allons étudier le vocabulaire du leçon 6. Et alors, commençons. Comment dit-on here? Ici. Ici. Comment dit-on here, there? So sometimes this word is used to be there, and sometimes it could be here as well. Most of the time, there would be more accurate. Alors, comment dit-on here, there? Là. Là. Don't forget the accent grave here. Là. Comment dit-on over there? Là-bas. Là-bas. Don't forget, don't pronounce that S. Comment dit-on in Paris? À Paris. À Paris. Paris, we don't pronounce the S. And don't forget this letter A is always pronounced A. And there's an accent grave over it. À Paris. The preposition à is used with cities. So for example, and otherwise we would say, like to say in Boston, à Boston. À New York, à New York. In Paris, à Paris. In Quebec. This is the English pronunciation of Quebec. À Quebec. À Quebec. In French, the QU is a K sound, so where we get the Quebec, and this E has an accent aigu on it. In class. Comment dit-on in class? En classe. En classe. Comment dit-on in town, like downtown, in town? En ville. En ville. Comment dit-on on vacation? En vacances. En vacances. Comment dit-on in France? Now, towns and cities are different from countries. For countries, we're not going to use the preposition à. En France. En France. For countries that are feminine, we're going to use en. For countries that are masculine, we're going to use something else. In France, we know is feminine. Alors, en France. At the café. Au café. Au café. Then this accent aigu here, we pronounce it. If the accent aigu was not there, we'd say au caf. But because that accent aigu is there, we have to say au café. Au café. At the restaurant. Comment dit-on at the restaurant? Au restaurant. Au restaurant. Please notice that the word restaurant is spelled both the same in French as it is in English. Comment dit-on at the movies? Au cinéma. Au cinéma. Again, we have an accent aigu here. Comment dit-on at home? À la maison. À la maison. Comment dit-on at, in, or to? These three prepositions in English are represented by one preposition in French. À. À. This is always pronounced à. Okay? And there's accent grave over it. Comment dit-on from, of, or about? And again, this preposition in French has three different meanings in English. Depends upon the context of the conversation. De. De. Comment dit-on and? Et. Et. The T is silent unless there's a vowel following it. So again, it's not et, it's a. A. Comment dit-on or? Où. Où. Comment dit-on where? Où. Où. Again, it sounds just like or, except for the difference when you look at it is it has an accent on it, an accent grave. So it's not, it's spelled the same because of the accent, but it just does sound the same. And again, it would be used differently in a conversation. With. Comment dit-on with? Avec. Avec. Comment dit-on for? Pour. Pour. Comment dit-on but? Mais. Mais. Please note again this S is silent. The A is always an E sound, so it's mais. Alright, so we've reached the end. On est fini. Très bien. Bon, continuez à étudier et on va se voir demain. Au revoir. Bonne nuit.